Hello and good evening. We are at the Tiong-Bahru Plaza. We are having a dinner. This is a Thai Seigon Felix rice. June 3, 2026. There's a lot of restaurant there. And Singapore. We now, my son and listen point, his daddy already here. Okay, we are having early celebration of the Father's Day. June 3, 2026. June 3, 2026. Enjoy Singapore, Tiong-Bahru Plaza, Singapore. A little quiet. Sun's there, listen to Guy Fawkes. Water. Thank you. Enjoy Singapore. June 3, 2026.